Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have a nice day. Today I'll be draw and color a fish easy, and we draw the fish with number 9. Let's draw. First draw a number line as me like this, and let's add other details now. The fins like this, and there also. Don't be quick, use your hand freely, and there and there. And let's add some lines on the fins like this. It will give you a great view after the drawing. Here also a few of them. And the mouth. And finally the eye. So we finish our fish drawing, and let's color it. I usually use color pencils. First I add orange color, not all over there, only like a line. After that we add yellow color. This color combination is so much beautiful. And red color on fins. When we use red colors, we should save some spots like this. Here also red color. Here also have to save some spaces like this. And let's add yellow color at the spaces. You can use colors as your favorite, as you wish. And now again red color, deep layer to light layer like this. And orange color, this one also deep layer to light layer. And again yellow color. And finally white color. So we finish our drawing and coloring. Thank you for being with me. I hope you enjoy.